I want to be more aware about myself and I want to step up. Because of discovery, I've learned a lot of things. I discovered a lot of things about myself and I became aware about myself. I've stepped up to the highest level. Hi, I'm Aileen Camille Aquino de Jesus. I'm a business owner. I'm a wife and I'm married for 12 years. I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl, 11 years old and 5 years old. Yes, definitely. I've learned a lot. I've solved a lot of things about myself and it made me rather a better person. Yung ikaw na muna, ako na muna. Kasi when you love yourself first and when you prioritize yourself rather, you will be able to give a lot of things to other people so that you can step up and you will be aware about your environment. Salamat kasi marami kang natutunan sa buhay at it made me who I am today kung ano ka before. Yes, definitely. I will recommend this discovery training to other people because it will help them a lot. It will help them aware of themselves, the environment, and every aspect of their lives. And it will make them a better person and better individual.